Hello, welcome back to the channel. And today I found Max's little construction site over here. That one right there, where this cement block is, it's a pretty deep hole. If he can keep digging, he can get to the other side of this fence here. Which, that's your main goal, isn't it? Yeah, of course it is. Here, let me show you. These things aren't light, so someone should be able to break through. If he were to just learn how to dig up, he can get to the other side. And that's not something we want. Right, Max? Right. Go look right over here. There's the other side. Now if you look at one of Max's other holes, yeah, move. Hey, no. Stop with the digging. So, do you see that? Is that right there? Max kept digging. He could get out. And me personally, I don't want a lost little puppy. That's not my agenda of things to do with Max. Set this back. No. Set this back over here. It should be good enough, right? Right? Oh yeah, he also found that. Whatever that is, can't be good. No. Hey, no. Stop with all the digging. But it's fun. Besides, I want to see the outside world. You say that like you've been trapped in here all your life. I want to see the outside world. Max, we go on walks. You see the outside world. Isn't this outside? Isn't this outside? I want to see what lies beyond the fence, though. And see it for myself without being on a leash. Anyways. See, I don't know what these were over here originally. I don't know what these were over here for originally. They've been here for like at least a year. Probably 2. I say at least a year since we got this fence a year ago. Stop digging holes. No. Just set this here. Alright, so this is now over here. And this is now over here more better. So it's harder for someone to dig. Now we have these little holes all over the place. We have this one here, which is the newest and largest hole. We have this one over here in Max's garden, which I found for the first time in the last episode. We have this one over here he dug a few months back. We have this one over here that we barricaded when we had the wood pile. And we have this one over here that we also barricaded with the wood pile. But it goes all the way underneath the fence. So someone here has been at work. Yeah, I want to see the world around me, outside of these walls. Max, we're not in a movie. And you do go outside. One, we're outside right now. Oh yeah, he also dug some holes over here. That one, this one. One in his lair, but it's not necessarily a massive issue since it's not leading to the fence. And then this one. Oh wait, that was there when they built the fence. So, Max has been at work, to say the least. Oh, and then you can't forget the one that if you fall in, you're most likely going to be hurt. This one over here. He dug that one a while ago. This small hole over here. So, Max, anything you'd like to say? I'm gonna get out one day. Yeah, no, you're not. The only time you're gonna go out and, walk around, it's gonna be on a leash. I don't want to have a lost puppy, because you don't have no sense of direction in there. So, if you leave, there's a high chance you're not going to be coming back. And I'm not going to say that like you're coming back injured or anything. You're just not going to know your way back. Because you don't have any sense of direction, do you? What is direction? And there you go, that proves my point. Anyways, that'll be all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. I know someone is still working on it. We'll probably get some dirt or something to cover this up. Probably. We most likely will. But that'll be all from me and Troublemaker over here. And since that'll be all from us, we'll see you in the next video. And goodbye. Goodbye!